Everyone's jumping on the AI agent bandwagon. Companies are swapping out staff, creating AI social media managers, AI girlfriends. Yes, that's a thing. And even AI salespeople. AI SDRs now run 24/7, generating and qualifying leads, personalizing outreach, and filling your calendar with calls. What if you could have your own AI sales agent boosting your business? Today, I'll show you how Reply.io's AI agent works. Here's the problem with human SDRs. They're expensive, starting in the low thousands per month and easily climbing into 5 figures. Then you've got management time, software subscriptions, lead purchase fees, and if you want more volume, you need more SDRs, which means more firing headaches. Plus, humans forget things. Leads names, grammar rules, what they walked into the kitchen for. So cold outreach gets mistakes and slip-ups. Simply put, human SDRs aren't the most efficient. Enter Jason, Reply.io's AI SDR. Imagine you want to lose weight. You could DIY your diet and exercise plan, count calories, research supplements, design workouts, buy equipment, etc. Or you could hire a coach who handles all that, leaving you to lift weights and sweat. Jason is that coach for your outreach. He handles everything, so you just get calls on your calendar. Jason automates your entire outreach workflow. First, he helps you create or refine your ideal customer profile, or ICP, based on who's likeliest to buy and benefit from your product. I'll cover this in the upcoming tutorial, so no need to take notes now. He then builds and A/B tests email sequences, scrapes and filters qualified leads, and hyper-personalizes each message. Since Jason isn't in your office, you will find random plants on your desk or someone sipping your coffee. Hiring him is as easy as selecting your monthly lead quota on Reply.io. Then, you teach him about your business by entering your domain. Jason scrapes the data to draft your ICP, which you can tweak manually if you like. He'll show you sample leads next, adjust filters like location, industry, and seniority level, even preview individual profiles. And when you're happy, you move on. You'll see every campaign step Jason has created: initial messages, A/B test variants, follow-ups, and more. Feel free to edit copy, tweak schedules, or enable multi-channel outreach: email, SMS, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, etc. In campaign settings, you can add personalization prompts, reference their recent tweet, mention their funding news, and so on, and preview the resulting messages. Jason even manages replies. If prospects object or ask questions, he can respond autonomously. Just supply him with FAQs, case studies, or any background material to guide his answers. Add your meeting link, flip his autopilot switch, and you're live. Turn on evergreen mode, and Jason constantly scrapes fresh leads and reaches out as soon as he's done with his existing list. Managing Jason is a breeze. View all your leads, track email opens and replies in his inbox, and adjust settings or prompts anytime for better performance. Still not convinced? Compare Jason to other AI SDRs like 11x.ai or Artisans. Check out my other videos for a head-to-head breakdown.